We are given an array and a target, here 10, and we want to know whether two of the values add up to it. 8 and 2 make 10, so the answer is yes. The plain approach tries every pair, which is slow. With a hash set, we can do it in a single pass. The clever move is to think about the partner. For each value x, the number it needs to reach the target is target minus x, called its complement. So as we walk the array, before adding x to our memory, we ask, have I already seen its complement? We keep every value seen so far in a hash set, which answers that question in order one time. If the complement is there, the pair exists. If not, we add x and move on. One pass, and each check is instant. We keep a set of the values seen so far. For each value x, we check whether its complement, target minus x, is already in the set. If so, those two add up to the target, and we return true. Otherwise, we add x to the set and continue. If the loop ends with no match, we return false. Let's build the pair finder live, block by block. Start with an empty set to remember the values we have already walked past. For each value, if its complement, target minus x, is already seen, the pair exists, so answer yes. Otherwise, remember this value and go on. No match by the end means answer no. Now, let's test it and hit run. There we go. 8 and 2 make 10 in the first array, so true, while nothing in the second reaches 8, so false. The flow in one look. Start with an empty set. For each value, check whether target minus it is already in the set. If yes, return true. Otherwise, add the value and loop. If nothing matches by the end, return false. Each value is looked at once, and both the set lookup and the insert are order 1, so the time is order n. The space is order n because the set can hold up to every value in the array. 3 things to remember. Always check for the complement before you add the current value. Otherwise, a single value could wrongly pair with itself. Duplicates are fine and can form a real pair, like 2 5s making 10. And if the question asks for the positions rather than a yes or no, store a hash map from value to index instead of a plain set.